Hey everyone, this is Sultan with WPFunnels, and in this video I'd like to let you know that now you can use Pabbly Connect along with WPFunnels. That's right, we have created direct integration, and Pabbly has also generously created an integration in their workflows so that this can get quite easy. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Pabbly Connect account to WPFunnels and then send out data from your funnels based on user actions to Pabbly and then create your workflows there. Okay, so let's begin. As you can see, I'm on my funnel dashboard and I already have a funnel over here. And let's say for this funnel, what I want is whenever someone takes an action, I'll send out data to Pabbly. So this is a landing page I have, and on this landing page I have an opt-in form. So what I want is whenever someone submits an opt-in form, that data will be sent out to Pabbly Connect, and there I'll be running some workflows to send the data to some other tool I may have. Okay, so let me go back to the canvas and let me show you how you can do that. So first, to connect Pabbly, what you need is you will need an integration add-on with WPFunnels, which is available in the medium and large plan. And I already have that installed and activated. When you do have that, you'll see that under WPFunnels, you'll find the menu called integrations. So let me open that in a new tab. And over here, you will find all your integrations options listed. Okay, so let me scroll down and look for Pabbly. And you can see that there is an integration between Pabbly Connect and Pabbly Email Marketing. So for Pabbly Connect, what I'll do is I'm just going to enable this, and now the integration is active. Okay, now let me go back to the canvas and let me reload this page. Now on the right side, if I click on the three dots and click on integrations, you'll see this window comes up. So here I can name this. So let's say send to Pabbly, and then I can choose a CRM, and as I've enabled Pabbly Connect only, that's the option I'm seeing here, and I can choose this, and this will make these things appear. Basically I can define user events based on which I can send the data to a webhook URL in Pabbly. So now let me show you how you can easily get that webhook URL. So this is my Pabbly account, and I'll go to Pabbly Connect. And here on the dashboard, I'll click on create workflow. So this will let me give a name to the workflow. So let's say I'll just name it WPF, and I'll just keep it in the home folder and click on create. And then this will let me choose the app with which I want to connect to. And in Pabbly, you can directly search for WPFunnels and choose this. There you go. And now you can choose the event for which you want this workflow to work. So as I said in my funnel, I want to create this workflow for my opt-in form. So I'll just choose this workflow, and this will generate a webhook URL for me. So I'll just copy this webhook URL, and I'll go back to WPFunnels where I was creating the integration. So here I'll choose the user event as opt-in form submit, and I'll paste the webhook URL right over here. And then I'll click on save. And that's it. Now the automation is created. What will happen is now whenever someone will submit the opt-in form, the data will be sent out to Pabbly, and then in Pabbly, what I can do is I can then configure more workflows however I want. So let's say I want to send the data to Keep. I will be, choosing the application Keep over here, and then choosing the workflow follow through on what will happen next. Okay, so that's it. That's how easily you can use Pabbly Connect with WPFunnels. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in one of my future videos. Take care.